Welcome to the Produce Moms and Applewood Fresh virtual field trip. Come along with us to the orchards. We are going to show you how apples are grown and the apple's journey from the tree in the orchard to your grocery store. Today we are in Sparta, Michigan at Applewood Fresh. Applewood Fresh has been growing apples in the great state of Michigan for several decades. Michigan is one of the top apple-producing regions in the United States. Growing apples is a year-round effort. In the winter, farmers focus on pruning the trees and preparing for the growth cycle, which starts in the spring with the bloom. Bloom is the stage of the apple growing cycle when the tree has flowers on it. These flowers are on the tree for about a week. During this time, bees pollinate the flowers, which allows the apple tree to produce fruit. Immediately after pollination, the fruit begins to grow. The farmers actually purchase beehives and bring them into the orchard to make sure the trees get pollinated. Without the bees, we have no apples. So where there were flowers, there are now apples, thanks to the farmers and the bees. Apples need 4 to 6 months to grow on the trees. This range is because different apple varieties need different amounts of time to grow on the tree. When the apples are ready to be picked, harvest crews pick the apples by hand. Apples are not picked by machines or tractors. Apple picking is done by hand to make sure the trees are not damaged. We need these trees to produce fruit year after year. The harvest crews move fast, but they are gentle at the same time. Apple picking is most definitely a skilled labor job. The apples are put into large bins in the orchards, and a truck moves the bins to a warehouse where the apples are washed, sorted by size and color, checked by cameras for imperfections like deep bruises or cuts, and packaged into the bags and boxes that the farmer sells to the grocery store. Thank you to our farmers for growing fruits and vegetables that keep us all healthy and thriving. From everyone at Applewood Fresh and the Produce Moms, we hope you enjoyed this trip to Sparta, Michigan to see how apples are grown.